Let's solve this together. It says x minus 4 raised to the power of 6 is equal to 4 raised to the power of 6. We are going to solve for the value or values of x in this question. Okay. First things first, you can say from here that let's rewrite this as x minus 4 all raised to the power of 6 minus 4 to the power of 6 to be equal to 0. Okay. Moving on from here, we can now say that this becomes x minus 4 raised to the power of, now 6 is something as 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, so we have raised to the power 2 multiplied by 3 minus 4 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 0. Now recall there's a lot of indices that says that when we have a raised to the power m multiplied by n is equal to a raised to the power of m or raised to the power of n. Okay, and this is a law of indices. Applying this law here, we're going to have x minus 4 raised to the power of 3 squared, okay, minus 4 raised to the power of 3, okay, squared is equal to 0. Alright? Now from here we can say that this is difference of two squares. Okay, so we can use difference of two squares to solve this. So difference of two squares states that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Applying that law here, we now have that this is x minus 4 raised to the power of 3 as our a now. Okay, plus b, which is 4 raised to the power of 3, multiplied by x minus 4 raised to the power of 3 minus 4 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 0. Okay, moving on from here, we now have the product of two things is equal to 0. When the product of two things is equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. Okay, so it's either, we can say it's either now that x minus 4 raised to the power of 3 plus 4 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 0. Now let's solve this and then we'll solve for this. Moving on from here, we can say let's solve this using the sum of two cubes. Sum of two cubes states that if I have a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b multiplied by a squared plus, minus ab plus b squared. Applying this law here, we're going to have that this becomes x minus 4 plus 4 multiplied by, this is x minus 4 squared. Okay, now we have minus 4 into x minus 4 plus 4 squared, and this is equal to 0. Moving on from here, we now have that x minus 4 plus 4 is x plus 0, which is x, multiplied by x squared is x squared, minus 4 times x is minus 4x times 2 is minus 8x, plus 4 squared is 16, minus 4x plus 16, alright? And then from here we have plus 16. It's equal to 0. Okay? Now, from here we now have our x multiplied by x squared minus 8x minus 4x is minus 12x. 16 is 48, okay? It's equal to 0. Okay? Now the product of two things again is equal to 0. So it's either that x is equal to 0 or x squared minus 12x plus 48 is equal to 0. Okay? Now this can only be formed using the quadratic formula. Okay? So solving this now, we have that our x here will become equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay? Now, from here now, our a is the equation of f squared. So our a is what? 1, b is equal to negative 12, and c is equal to 48. Okay? Alright. So from here, our x now becomes equal to minus 12 is acting as plus 12 plus or minus square root of 12 here is 144 minus 4 times 48. Okay? All over 2a is 2 times 1, which is 2. And this is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 144 minus is 172, okay, all over 2. Then this is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 144 minus 170, same thing as negative 28, okay? So divided by 2, now this is equal to 12 plus or minus 2I root 7 all over 2. And this becomes finally equal to 6 plus or minus I root 7. Okay? These are the first three answers for x, or that x is equal to 0. Alright, so these are the first three answers for x. Now let's set the remaining three answers for x. So with the second condition, we have that our x minus 4 raised to the power 3 minus 4 raised to the power 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so how do you go about doing this? Now we use the sum difference of two cubes. So we have that a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, and this becomes equal to x minus 4, right, minus 4 multiplied by x minus 4 squared plus 4 into x minus 4, okay, plus 4 squared is equal to 0. Alright? Now from here we now have that x minus 4 minus 4 is x minus 8 multiplied by x squared minus 8x plus 16 plus 4x minus 16 plus 16 is equal to 0. Okay? Now from here we now have that our x minus 8 multiplied by x squared minus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0. Okay? Again, the product of things is equal to 0. So it's either x minus 8 is equal to 0, implying that x is equal to 8, or, okay, now we have x squared minus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0. So from here we are going to have that our x here becomes equal to minus 4 is 4, plus or minus square root of 4 squared is 16, minus 4 times 16 is minus 64, all over 2 times 1, which is 2. Moving on from here, we are going to have that our x becomes equal to 4 plus or minus square root of this minus this is negative 48, okay, all over 2. And this is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of, okay, so this is 16 times root 3 times I, okay, all over 2. This is equal to 4 plus or minus 4 root 3I all over 2. This is equal to 2 plus or minus 2 root 3I, or 8 equals x. Okay, so these are the remaining three answers for x in this question. Thanks for watching. If you made this to the end, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.